So here is my bro Corey's very first box, and he built it all throughout the week over the weekend, did some sanding, and we're gonna put it in to this extremely unique right-hand drive Jeep. Look how interesting this is. Look at there, man. Very cool. So with amplifier, and it's just a temp, but his amplifier here is the SSL 1500 watt. And let's see if it can make that Sundown U Series V1 15 shimmy and shake. Oh, let's see here. Nice tight fit. All right. Damn it, boy. Uh-oh, look at that. Look at that Sundown logo. Uh-oh.
Oh, fuck. We gotta flip it.
We put it upside down, but it's okay.
No, we just flip it around.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, no, we'll be okay. Look at there. We just flipped it over. Got to make sure the Sundown logo is right. Nice. Damn, fits actually pretty good. This is not what he intended necessarily to put it in, but this is what we're going to do to test and tune it, because he has his other car, but that's guy needs a little bit more of the wiring stuff to get things rolling. So, yeah, that amplifier did not work out, but have no fear. We got something with some more power right here. The HammerTech ACA 2500.1 monoblock, a beast. So we were trying to put that 15 in the Jeep and it just didn't work out. Well, swapped it out for the HammerTech amplifier and we put it in Corey's 93 Caprice. Let's go check it out.
I'm Mr. Rifle, I'm Mr. Angle, he Mr. Pump I'm Mr. Pie Scraper.
Yeah, it fits back there all right. He's got a little more work to do, but it's coming along awesome, man. That's my bro Corey's 93 Caprice, getting that bitch slapping. Gotta do some electrical upgrades so he can really crank things up and get things going. But hey, that's just time and effort, brother. Banginbros, baby. 93 Caprice. Make sure my boy Corey is repping down for sound, Banginbros, and custom speaker pods. So everybody knows he's about that life. There's my guy. Just helping him out little by little. Making sure he is slapping. His exhaust is making all sorts of noise there. And there we are. Thanks again for watching this silly little video, but it was a lot of fun. We're just having a lot of fun here with just fun with the homies. If car radio ain't having fun with the homies, then what is it, right? Then what is it? Thanks for watching.